In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metadata in Darktable. Metadata is the descriptive information that travels with your photos, like a title, a description, the creator or photographer, the publisher, and your rights or copyright notice. In Darktable, this information is stored non-destructively in an XMP sidecar file alongside your raw edits, and you can optionally embed it when you export. That means your image pixels are never altered, and your details stay organized and portable. Start in the Lighttable view, which is the photo browser. If you see a grid of thumbnails, you're in the right place. If you're elsewhere, switch to Lighttable so you can manage and annotate your images comfortably. This is the best place to batch apply consistent information across a set of photos. Next, select the photo you want to update. If you're adding the same metadata to several images, like a common shoot title or copyright, select multiple thumbnails so they all receive the changes at once. Selecting a range helps you stay consistent and saves time, especially when you're preparing a collection. Now, look to the right sidebar and scroll until you find the Metadata Editor panel. This panel is dedicated to descriptive fields. If panels are collapsed, expand Metadata Editor so you can see the fields clearly. Fill in title with a clear, human-readable name for the image or series. Use description to add context, what the photo shows, the purpose of the shoot, location details, or anything that helps others understand the image later. Creator is where you add the photographer or author's name, ensuring proper attribution. Publisher is useful if a publication, studio, or brand is responsible for releasing the work. Rights or copyright is where you state the copyright holder and terms, such as the year and the license you want to use. Keep this precise and professional. When you're done, click Apply to commit the changes. You can also press Enter or Tab to move between fields efficiently while you type. If you selected multiple images, the metadata you've entered will be applied to all of them in one go. Behind the scenes, Darktable writes this information to each image's XMP sidecar file, keeping your edits and metadata linked without changing the original photo. On export, you can choose to embed this metadata so it travels with the exported file, which is especially helpful for sharing and preserving attribution. That's it. By staying in Lighttable, selecting your images, opening the metadata editor, filling in those key fields, and clicking Apply, you'll keep your photo library organized, searchable, and properly credited.